What's the meaning of amidships? Amidships. 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 Amidships.
Amidships refers to the middle section of a ship, specifically the area that is equidistant from the bow and stern. It is also known as the midpoint or centerline of a vessel. This location is important for balancing the ship and ensuring that it remains stable in the water. The placement of heavy cargo or equipment in the amidships area can affect the ship's stability and maneuverability. In addition, many important ship systems, such as steering and propulsion, are located in this area. Overall, amidships plays a crucial role in the proper functioning and safety of a ship.